Welcome. In this video I will show you how to put apps on full screen on your DELL Latitude 5420 laptop. To do that, let's open any application we want to maximize. So let it be the File Explorer, and we have several methods to do that. For example, we can just tap on the square button right here, or we can double tap the upper bar of the application at any spot right here, like that, or use the square icon, and we can minimize it using the same two ways, or we can simply drag it to the top, all the way to the top, and leave it here and make it full screen this way, and slide it down and make it the same size back again. And that's it. If you like this video, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below.